A Sabikeshi Winiigan refers to the dream catcher we've been given as Anishinaabe people to use. There were two of the elderly women I used to travel with and did our presentations on the various ceremonies we were given as a people. And that's what they had said. They had never heard an Anishinaabe word for a dream catcher. Maybe there had been one that existed that they weren't aware of. But this is the word that I created. That's what you do with the Ojibwe, is create words that are very much similar to what you're talking about. A Sabikeshi means spider. Winiigan means trap. It's a spider web. And those dream catchers were hung on the cradles of our babies. And what they were used for, they would filter the baby's dreams, any nightmares or bad dreams that child would have would get trapped in that dream catcher, and the baby would only have positive and good dreams. And I wanted to talk about how this has moved from its original use. We have to be careful about those things that we have been given as a people. Nowadays, you'll see the dream catchers hanging all over the place. They're hung on the mirrors of cars. You see women that have earrings in the shape of a dream catcher. It's used in all different ways, but a lot of our people have forgotten and don't remember why we were originally given these dream catchers. That gets lost in the process. During my time, I traveled with Lakota people a lot, and I went to a lot of their ceremonies. And they were really rigid about not changing their ceremonies or changing any items. They always maintain that if we make a change in this ceremony, that's the way it will be in the future, and we will forget the original way we were given this particular song, particular ceremony. So that's true for us as Anishinaabe. That's my comments on the Sabikeshi Winiigan.